Good afternoon, children. Today we will start exercise 11.1, question number 3. How many meters of fencing is required to enclose a rectangular vegetable garden 15-meter long and 6.5-meter wide? It means you are having one garden, okay, that is of rectangle shape, because here clearly it is mentioned that rectangular vegetable garden. So first of all, we will mention that length equals to 15 meter and breadth equals to 6.5 meter. Okay. Now, on the basis of this, we will put the formula that therefore perimeter of a rectangular vegetable garden. Here it is not mentioned that you have to find out perimeter. But why you will find out perimeter? Because here it is written fencing is required. So definitely in your plot you will not do fencing. You will put on the boundary only. And boundary means perimeter. So that is why formula is 2 into L plus B. Now 2 will remain same. Multiply also will remain same. Now length is how much? So it is 15 meter plus breadth is 6.5 meter. Okay. Now we will do plus. Addition we will do. So 2 will remain same. Multiply will remain same. Now 15 plus 6.5. So how much it will give? So first we will multiply 15 plus 6 will be how much? So it will be 21.5 meter. Okay. Now we have to do multiplication of this. So 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. So 43 430 comes, but here decimal is there, so one decimal we will put. So you can write 43.0 or you can directly write 43 meter. You should write most probably this answer. Okay, so equals to answer is 43 meter. So hence 43 meter of fencing is required to enclose a rectangular vegetable garden. Now question number 4. Mr. Chopra wants to put a wooden border around a painting. Means here one painting you are having, okay, you want to put a border. Wooden border he wants to put. So definitely border should come on the boundary only, na? It will not come in between, because in between you are having your painting and around that you are going to do frame. So definitely here what we should do? Perimeter. If the length of the painting is 40 centimeter and its breadth is 25 centimeter, what will be the cost of putting the border at rupees 40 per meter? Now this question we will solve later on. Okay. First of all, we will find out the perimeter. So we need to mention that length equals to 40 centimeter and breadth equals to 25 centimeter. Now, therefore, perimeter of painting equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now, 2 will remain same, multiply also will remain same. Now, length is how much? So, 40 plus 25. Okay. Now, I will do addition. So, 40 plus 25, it will be 65. Now, multiplication we need to do. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, plus 1 13. So, it is 130 centimeter. Now our half of the question is finished. Now we will go again to the main question and we will read what will be the cost. Now we have to find out the cost, because at your home you are not going to do, you have to give outside to do, and definitely they are going to charge something, some amount they will charge. So cost of putting the border is 40 rupees per meter. Now here the unit is what? Meter, and we have got the answer in centimeter. Okay, and they are charging 40 rupees per meter. So first of all, we need to convert this into meter. So therefore, as you know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. As we are knowing that 100 centimeter you can take as a 1 meter. So we can divide also, like this, means we can separate 100 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. Now you will put it into meter, then how it come? It will be 1.3 meter. You can write like this also, because 100 is full. 100 centimeter means 1 meter, and here 30 centimeter is it. So you can write 30 as well as, because here after decimal zeros is not having any value, so you can write 3 also directly. So 1.3 meter. Okay. Now we know that this much our border is there. So we have to find out the cost. So first of all, I will mention here that cost of putting border cost of putting a border at rupees 40 per meter. So the cost of putting border to 1.3 meter equals to how much? It means if you want to do 1 meter, then you have to pay 40 rupees. So you are having more than 1 meter, that is 1.3 meter. So it will cost how much? So we have to write therefore, okay, now here we are having 1.3 meter multiplied by 40 rupees. We have to put, okay. Now here what we should do, we need to remove decimal. So therefore I will write 13 multiplied by 40 upon 10, because one decimal is there, so 1 0 will come, 0 0 will cancel. Then we got 13 multiplied by 4. So 13 4s, it will be 52 rupees. Okay, so by we can understand that if 1 meter you are doing, then you have to pay 40 rupees. So it is more than 1 meter, that is 1.3 meter, so you have to pay 52 rupees. So answer will be what? 52 rupees will be the cost of putting the border around painting. Now question number 5. How much lace will be needed to put around a square of side 65 centimeter? What will be the cost of the lace required if the lace costs rupees 8 per meter? Now here there are two questions are there. So what we should do, you know na, we should solve only one part of the question and the second part we will solve later on. So first of all we have to find out there is a square piece of cloth. Okay, so square piece we are having and the side is given 65 centimeters. So you need to put lace. Okay, so what will be is its perimeter. So first I will mention that side equals to 65 centimeter. Now therefore perimeter of square. What is the formula of perimeter square? So it is 4 multiplied by side. Now here 4 will remain same and side is how much given? That is 65 centimeter. Okay, so here I will do multiplication of this. So 4 5s are 20, 0 2 carry. Then 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. So 260 centimeter. Total perimeter of a square piece is given. Okay. So one part of the question we have solved. Now we will go to the next question. That what will be the cost of the lace? Now from outside definitely you are going to buy the lace. Na? So the charges is 8 rupees per meter. So what will be the charge? So we are again having a difference of units. Here meter is given, here centimeter is there. So we need to convert this centimeter into meter first of all. Okay. So how we will do? Therefore, as we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Hai na? So we will convert it like 200 we are having centimeter and then we are having 60 centimeter. So how we have done in the previous sum? 200 centimeter there means definitely it will be 2 meter will be there. Okay, and plus 60 centimeter there, it means 0.6 centimeter meter will be there. Now we have to add this, so we will get 2.6 meter. Okay, this will be your answer, that 2.6 meter you are having. Now cost how much there? 8 rupees the per meter. So we are having more than 1 meter na, so we need to put in a formula first. Therefore cost of lace of 1 meter equals to how much? Rupees 8. So cost of lace of 2.6 meter will be how much? Okay, so we will do cross multiplication. Therefore 2.6 multiplied by 8. Okay, now if you want to multiply directly, then you can multiply directly, or you want to remove decimal first, then you can remove that also. Okay, so first of all, if you want to remove decimal, then we will remove it. So how to remove decimal? So here 26 multiplied by 8 upon 10. Why 10? Because after decimal one digit is there, so that is why we will also put one digit. Okay, now we will multiply 26 multiplied by 8. So what we will get? We will get 208 upon 10. Now you want to convert again, you have to convert it into decimal. So here 10 is there, so 1 point should come. So answer is 20.8 rupees. Okay, because 10 is there, so one decimal would, after decimal one digit should come. So the answer is what? So the answer is cost of the lace is 20 rupees and 8 paisa. Now question number 6 we are having. A rope of length 24 meter was used to fence off a square patch of a land for a garden. Means you are having a garden. You want to, you have kept already a rope. Rope you have kept. Okay, you have tied. So length is used 24 meter. Total length is used 24 meter. Okay, of a square patch. So find the length of a side of a square garden. Means a garden is having 4 sides. Okay, like example here I will draw. A garden is having a 4 sides. So already rope you have kept here. Okay. So it is totally used 24 meter. How much? 24. But now you have to find out the single space. Means single length you want to find out. How much is there? So for that we will write this way. 4 sides equal to 24 meter. So therefore perimeter of square equals to, formula is what? 4 multiplied by side. Now total perimeter is how much? Use 24. Multiply by 4 will remain same and side also will remain same. Now we will use side change, sign change. So therefore one side equals to, we will divide this two. Okay, so 24 divided by 4. So what answer you will get when you will divide this? So 4 6 are 24 comes. So we will get answer 6 meter. Okay, so one side is 6 meter is there. So 6, 6, here 6 and here 6. Now you can do addition or you can do multiply. 6 4s are 24. So you will get the answer total is 24 meter. So what will be my answer? Answer is, so the length of one side of square garden is 6 meter. Okay. Thank you.